Okay guys, this is Engine 66. Obviously you have your officer's tool, Halligan X, personal life rope, the Knox box keys, and the elevator key are right below the laptop. K-tools up here to the right in the windshield. All your books are inside here. Those are personal items. The officer. Part your tags, company tags. Passport system. Okay. So the RAD 57, your MCI kit, your child and your adult mask suit, your drug sign-offs. Like I said, your RAD 57 is inside here, buried in there somewhere. I checked it this morning. Battery is not in it. The RAD 57 is strictly for us firefighters, and it's for rehab to check your CO2 levels. More lights. In here you got your broom, backboards, net, New York hook, fireman's axe. Up top you got your deluge gun, you got 2 buckets of foam, another shovel. You got your 150, your 250 here, because we're in Deerfield. You got 2 bottles of foam down here. You got your foam nozzle. You got your eductor. This is your foam hose, hooks up to here. To discharge. Spanners, of course. In this compartment here, you got all your KEDs, your traction splint, your Sager splint. You got your life pack, your traumas, Broslow bag, everything to do with any type of medical is in this compartment here. In this first compartment here, this is Engine 66. To the right is ABC. To the left is a water. In here, you got 3 things of K-litter, and also 2 your salvage covers. Up top, you got 24-foot ladder, 10-foot pike pole, 14-foot ladder, and a 10-foot pompier ladder, attic ladder. In this section right here, you got your TNT Rescue 42 jacks. You got your sledgehammer. You got your in this one here, you got your Hamaltra tools, you got your hoses, you got your chalks, your sawzall, the engine's in the back, left for long, 250, 150. Those are both pre-connects, they're not dead loads. These right here, 3-inch gate valve on the right, no gate valve on the left. Accordion load, 1,600 feet. Right here you got your K12, your chainsaw. You also have your lights, your pigtails, and your vent fan. And you got another water cannon in there. In this compartment here, got your rescue ropes, you got your high-rise packs, you got your swimming gear. This container here, you got your shovel, 3 SCBAs, bolt cutters, Pro Pack. This compartment here is a driver compartment. It also houses all the tools to break into a vehicle. Got your Your light controls inside here. It's all the stuff for the driver compartment that you need. Appliances, nozzles, pony lines, all in that compartment. Back in here, forgot to tell you, on engine 66, in the back right compartment, compartment number 5, you have your air chisel and your valve for your airbags, which is down here. And that completes engine 66. Up front, you got your chains, WD-40, pony line. This is a 4-inch pony line, 5-inch pony line, hydrant wrench. Should be your WD-40. Chains for the Multro. Something I didn't point out though, your rabbit tool. Rabbit tool is inside here. Right there. That's your rabbit tool. Cones are also inside. That completes engine 66.